Okay, good day guys, good day to you all. Welcome back to the Formula Sports channel. Thanks for being here. A quick one for you guys today, right? Just came across a bit of breaking information I have to share with you guys, right? By the way, guys, smash the like button, guys. Free and easy way to support the channel, gives the channel a massive strength, guys. And of course, as always, the support is much appreciated. Now, this news that I just came across, not just recently, just came across, is in relation to Alvas Powell, right? National right back Alvas Powell, formerly of the Philadelphia Union, right? He's out of contract now, having, that situation ending with the Philadelphia Union, and he's on the lookout for a new club right now, right? And that is where a club by the name of FC Cincinnati comes into the equation. You guys know of FC Cincinnati, right? This is a club that Alvas has previously played. This is a club that Alvas has previously played for, right? My voice started cracking up a while ago, but yeah, man, guys. So, the former MLS Cup champion, right, struggled with injuries the last couple of seasons. And even this season, some of the games I was watching for Philadelphia Union, I don't know, man. I don't know what is taking place with Alvas from a physical standpoint, but I wish him the best and I hope that he gets it together, because even some games I was watching with him for Philadelphia this season, and Alvas just wasn't moving freely, in my opinion. But let me give you guys the news according to, well, this is on the Yahoo Sports platform, and it's on other platforms as well, and it is coming from Enquirer Sports and USA Today beat reporter. So he works for the Enquirer Sports and USA Today, two very credible platforms. Name of the journalist Pat Brennan, credible journalist, and he is a beat writer for these respective media houses for FC Cincinnati, right? So he's a beat writer since 2016 for FC Cincinnati. So this is what Yahoo Sports had to say. Two moves surfaced Thursday with the signing of now former Atlanta United goalkeeper Alec Khan confirmed, and the Enquirer reporting FC Cincinnati nearing the completion of a deal that would see right back Alvas Powell return to the clubs, according to sources with knowledge of the negotiations. And the beat writer, they have posted a picture of the tweet from a beat writer, or from the beat writer Pat Brennan, who has said that sources have told me club nearing deal to bring Alvas Powell right back to Cincy. Powell signed with Philadelphia last summer rather, free as a free agent, 5 regular season appearances, 2 lockdown defensive efforts in MLS Cup playoffs versus Red Bulls New York. There you go. Right? Red Bulls New York, and I think the other team is Nashville. Right? I'm not so familiar with MLS abbreviations. But yeah. So guys, that's the breaking news. Alvas Powell on the verge of signing a new deal with a former club of his, a club that he spent 1 season at that particular club. At that particular club, he also struggled with injuries as well, right? So, they are willing to, take another chance with Alvas. It is not being made clear the length of the deal right now. There's not really much specifics. Just saying that the club, just credible sources saying that Cincinnati, is closing in on a deal to bring back Alvas Powell to the club. So it's not over the line just yet, So hopefully this can get over the line and Alvas can, sign, and, hopefully as well, Alvas can find a new home, and a home that will best facilitate a return of some sorts to what we have previously seen from Alvas Powell, a return to his best, right? Hopefully he can find a home that can provide an environment that can facilitate that. So there you go, guys. Hopefully this deal gets over the line. It is, from what is being reported, it is not a done deal just yet, but apparently it is, close. But, again, we have seen deals that have been close and they haven't gotten over the line. But usually when a beat reporter reports on something like this, the deal is it's not done, but it's heading in that direction and heading in that direction very quickly. So guys, just that bit of breaking news for you guys. When I saw it, man, honestly, I was a bit upbeat, man, because I like to see good things like this, man. I was a little bit concerned about Alvas, but hopefully this gets over the line and Alvas can get his career back on track to some extent. So guys, that's my 2 cents. Remember, smash the like button again, subscribe if you're new. Stay safe, take care, and until next time, guys.